Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about the Netflix subscription refund. Now Netflix generally has no refund policy for partial billing periods. However, exceptions are made for specific issues like unauthorized charges or billing errors. Refunds are not automatic. You must contact customer support directly to make a request as well. So in order to cancel your Netflix subscription, you need to go to Netflix website, right? So open up your browser, type in netflix.com, or you could just go to netflix.com or Netflix subscription, and you click onto the first link that comes, and then you just want to go ahead and navigate to account section by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. When you do that, under membership and billing, select cancel membership. Then you just want to follow the prompt and select finish cancellation to confirm the actions, and after which you want to check your email for the confirmation message from Netflix, which serves as a proof of cancellation. And this is how you should be able to cancel your subscription. And as per the refund, you need to contact manually to the customer service team, as it is not automatic, and they will be able to look into your matter. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.